So here I am in another Tesla loaner vehicle. I had to take my Model S in this time for service. And so instead of them giving me a SUV like they did the last time when I took my Model X in, they gave me a Model 3. And let me tell you, I know it's been quite a while since I sold my Model 3, and this car actually makes it to where I truly miss the nimbleness of the Tesla Model 3. This vehicle is definitely fun to drive. They gave me, as you can see here, they gave me a gray or a charcoal one. I just miss some of the technology features of the newer models, which, you know, I enjoy the models that I have, the Model S as well as the Model X, but something about this vehicle that reminds me of my old Tesla Model 3. I do miss it. Will I get another one later on down the road? I'm not really sure, but we'll have to just, you know, kind of play it by ear. But I'll show you guys a little bit of the features of the Tesla Model 3. Now, this one definitely has the full self-driving versus like the one that I have in the Tesla Model S now and the Model X. It uses more of the sonar sensors to navigate. And this one is more of the cameras and using the Sentry mode cameras and things like that to kind of navigate the road. So it's definitely a lot different feel on the full self-driving, and it's pretty cool. So I'll kind of show you a little bit of that. just want to show you some of the features, of course, of this Tesla Model 3. So as you can see here, it is of course the Tesla Model 3, and they kind of limit your speed here. As you can tell, I think it's 85 miles an hour. And then of course, all the free supercharging is built into this vehicle since it is a loaner vehicle. So I'll show you kind of how that works. You don't have to pay for anything because it is a loaner vehicle. The features of course are the same. Everything that you're used to in the Tesla Model 3, none of that has really changed because this is the older style. It's definitely real close to the same one that I had there. Yeah, Tesla gives you a loaner vehicle that you can kind of use until your vehicle is fixed. And this is not the newer style, but not the newer refreshed version of the style Model 3. So I showed you a little bit of the full self-driving. And then of course the charging and stuff like that. But this is my loaner vehicle for the day from Tesla, a Tesla Model 3, because my Tesla Model S is in service. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how this works. If you own a Tesla, what you can kind of look forward to if they have loaner vehicles available. One thing that my Tesla Model X and S don't have in comparison to this Tesla Model 3 and the newer models is the backup sound there. That sounds really cool. So I'll put it in reverse here to kind of show you what it sounds like, but let me show you here. So you can hear the sonar sound that the car makes, and I'll put it in drive here. And then put it in reverse. So to me, that sounds really cool. My vehicle, unfortunately, doesn't have anything like that. So I think it's really cool that it kind of alerts you that the vehicle is backing up because it's so quiet. So that's something that I don't have currently, but wish that I had on my vehicle. So let me show you a little bit of the outside. Outside of that, just wanted to make a quick video kind of showcasing the Tesla Model 3 as a loaner vehicle, just in case if you're thinking about getting a Tesla Model 3, to show you what you can kind of look forward to in that vehicle. And then the service process, Tesla can come to your house and give you some of the services there directly at your house. And sometimes you have to go in and they'll give you a loaner vehicle if they have it available, or Uber credit is something that they also do in addition to that. So, but that's it. just wanted to make a quick video to kind of show you this process and show you what to look forward to if you have to take your vehicle in for service to Tesla. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.